In this video, we'll speak about how to print a single or a double quote, or even a backslash within a string in a write or a WriteLine statement. I've currently got 3 WriteLine statements, but the first one has the string test1, the second one has the string test2, and the third has test3. Let me just fix it. So if I actually run it, we just get the plain strings sitting like this with a new line afterwards due to the WriteLine method call. So if I wanted to print the first string with a single quote, something like this, then to do that, we'll use the escape sequence, backslash and a single quote. And we end the same thing, a backslash and a single quote. Let's run it and see what we get. So we notice that our first string is printed within a single quotation. Now to print the second one, the second string, test2, in a double quote, we do the same thing. So, but this time we use the escape sequence with a double quote, backslash and a double quote. We save, we run again to get test2 printed within a double quote like this. For the last one, to print it within a backslash, what we'll do is we'll use a backslash escape sequence with a backslash, the one that we'd like to be printed, and the same for the ending. We save, we run again to see test3 printed like this, and that's exactly what we get. So if you wanted to use only the write instead of the WriteLine, we can get rid of that just to show you the difference. And what it will do is it'll print the strings the same way that we wanted, but there will be no new line. So just like so. You could use the escape sequence \n to print a new line if you wanted to stay with the write method, but you still wanted a new line after the first, for example, one. But this is not the preference. So the preference is to actually use the WriteLine instead. So this gives you the same effect as a WriteLine, but it's better not to do this practice. So we'll stick to, if you wanted a new line, it's better to use the WriteLine call, which will do the work for you. And I hope this video helps you in printing special characters within your string that you couldn't use otherwise within a double quotation string. And I'll see you in the coming ones.